Aliza, and today I am going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. If you are a makeup artist, you know how important it is to clean your makeup brushes on time. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Show you how my brushes look like after they are dry, like they are fully dry right now. So that's how I like to clean my makeup brushes, and that's how I do most of the time. There are many other ways to clean your brushes and sponges, but I'll show you that in some other video. But this is my very basic and like very general method by which I clean my makeup brushes, and it's very easy to do, right? So just follow the tutorial, and please comment down below if you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and show some love in the comment section down below.